Set up device. Power on the device and check LED indication. When the LED indicator flashes in blue, and pause for 1 second every 4 flashes, the device is in AP setup mode. When the LED indicator flashes 5 times per second in blue, the device is in Smart Setup mode. Here we only take AP setup mode. For example, the LED indicator flashes intermittently before the setup. Press and hold the reset button at the back of device for 5 seconds to reset it, if needed. Use the mounting board for fixing. Then you can easily hang the device anywhere you want. Tap plus add device. Tap allow only while in use to obtain location permission. Select add a new device, and choose universal remote. Select RM4 Mini and tap next. Then waiting for 3 seconds. App will pop up a window to guide you to connect the device AP. When smartphone has connected to device AP successfully, tap Setup completed, choose your home Wi-Fi, and input your password to proceed. You may need to wait for up to 60 seconds to finish the setup of device. Choose a room for the device and name it to complete setup. Now you can start to use device.